What's good everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be taking you through on how to install Git on your Windows. If you're finding it difficult to install Git, I'll be taking you through on how to do that right now. So the first thing you have to do is you just have to go to search for Git. Let's go to search for Git here. I'm sure we know the function of Git, so you'll be seeing it here. Git is a free and open source distributed version control system designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. So when you scroll down, you see this download. So this way we have to come over to just click on the download. Then you may see various versions you can download. So you can download for Mac OS, you can download for your Linux and also for Windows. So I'm going to be going with Windows. I'll just select Windows. Then you'll be seeing other Git for Windows download, but we just have to click on this. Click here to download, just click on it. But I already downloaded Git, so once you've downloaded it, then just come over to your file manager. Then just double click to install. So we are going to be seeing a pop-up like this. So we have to click on this yes button. Then from here now, we just have to scroll down. Then we click on this next. So this is to select the location where it's going to be installed. So for me, it's going to be installed in programs files. So I'll just click on this next. Then from here, I need to select these additional icons. Once you've selected these additional icons, so just click on this next button. Then here, you just have to click on this next button. So you have to select the default editor you want to use with Git. So I'm going to be using Visual Studio with Git. So you see use Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. So this is what I'm going to be going with. But if you're using some other stuff like WordPad, just going to select WordPad. But since I'm using Visual Studio, I'll just click on this Visual Studio Code as Git default editor. Then I'll just click on the next button. You see, let's Git decide. So this is just to adjust the name of the initial branch in your new repository. So I'll just click on this override. So I'm going to be going with this. Then I'll just click on next. From here now, we have to adjust your path environment. So you just have to keep it the same. You have to keep it the same. So just click on this next. Then for this, use bundle open SSH. So just click on this next button. I'll be use the open SSL library. So just click on this next. Then configuring the line ending conversion. So since I'm using Windows, so I'm going to be selecting this first one. So I'll just click on this next button. Configuring the terminal emulator to use. I'm going to keep it as the default. So I'll just click on this next button. Then fast forward or merge. I'm going to leave it as that. Then Git credentials manager. I'll leave it like that. Then enable file system patching. So I'll just click on this install button. So I'm waiting for the installation to be completed. Okay, so our installation has been completed. So I can just click here to launch Git batch. So I'm just going to click on this finish. Then let's just go over to my so you see that the Git batch has been created. So for me to check if it has been installed successfully, I just have to come over to my search bar. Then I just search for CMD. So I'll click on open. So what I'm just going to be searching for right now is I just have to input Git. So you see this has been installed successfully. Git has been installed successfully. So guys, that will be all for this video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also turn on your post notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop a similar video like this. Bye guys.